Hi, my name is Elle. I'm a cross-stitch artist and designer here on TikTok, and today I'm going to be answering Sarah's question, how should I do color blending if I stitch with 3 strands? So there are a couple different ways that you could do it. You could decide to use 2 strands of one color and 1 strand of a different color, but that is going to give you like a color imbalance. One of the colors is going to be a little bit heavier. The other alternative I actually have made a video for as well. That video is like another way to do color blending, I think is what I titled it. But I'm going to show you what we did. So if we look here, this bottom one, focus please. This bottom one is where we did some color blending with black and red. And I know those are very opposing colors. That was kind of the point. I wanted you to be able to see how the strands kind of weave together. And these 2 top ones above here are done with 2 different shades of pink. And what I did on this bottom square is I laid down half of the cross stitch with the darker pink. And then I went the other direction with the lighter pink. And then up here, I did the lighter pink first and the darker pink on top. So it's a little bit subtle, but you can see that there is like a slight color difference in the way that these are done. And some people actually prefer to do this method of color blending, regardless of how many strands that they use. But if I was stitching with 3 strands, I would probably use this method over having 2 strands of one color and 1 strand of the other. So that's just me personally, but those are the suggestions that I have for you. And then which one you decide to lay on top is probably going to be based on your pattern and what you want it to look like, and whether you want it to look like highlights or lowlights or stuff like that. But anyway, I hope that helps. And as always, happy stitching.